It's finally arrived. My Secret Gardening Club mystery box. As promised, here's my unboxing video. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Looks like we've got a couple of heucheras in there. Let's get them out and have a look. Now, bearing in mind this box was £20 and that includes delivery. I ordered it on Thursday and it's arrived today, so it's arrived on Tuesday. That's been a 4-day turnaround. I don't think that's bad. They're all perennial plants, so they'll come back year after year, and that's £1.34 a plant, so bargain. Okay, so first lot, and I've got an absolutely beautiful heuchera Art Deco. Shame I didn't have this a couple of days ago. This would have looked gorgeous in my living wall. I just love the purple, it's so pretty. And we've got a lavender. Do you know what amazes me is the quality of all these plants. Like, they're really, really good quality. Oh, a delphinium. Cute. Little delphinium. Lovely. Looking at that one, that is a Belladonna Casablanca. Let's see what the picture of that will look like. What have we got? What have we got? Nefophia. Bees lemon. Beautiful. And a viola. Oh, that's a nice size. They're all a really nice size plant actually. I don't think there's one of them that's been disappointing. And this one is a Trollius. Oh, I've not heard of those. Has anyone got these? That's what that's gonna look like. Lovely. This is an elephant's ear. I've already got several of these in the garden. They grow really, really well. So this is gonna be great to add to my borders. Coreopsis. Do you know, and a lot of these have got sort of similar colours to them. So I've got some whites, I've got some yellows and some blues. It will mix really nicely, make a beautiful perennial border. And a rosemary. Lovely, I can leave that in here, like a grass. This one. Blue fescue. I just love the colour of that grass, don't you? Gorgeous. Now this one I haven't come across before. Anyone seen that? This is a Chasmanthium latifolia. In the picture it looks quite brown. It says brown and oat-like, but here it's very green and kind of reminds me of bamboo, but obviously is a grass. And a Tanacetum. Look at that. And just check out this gorgeous colour that's going to come out in. One tray left. We've got this, which looks to me a little bit like a verbena. That is, it's a Verbena venariensis, classic plant. And here's another beautiful little one. That is another Tanacetum, and that is Robinson's pink. So I've got two pink Tanacetum. Oh wait, got a visitor in the greenhouse, got to show you this. Oh Elle, you just love joining me in the greenhouse, don't you? Hey baby, you go in. Go on then. And finally, got one of these, a Melina. So it's another variation of variegated grass that will look like that. Pretty much like this, but bigger. That is everything that I got in my mystery box. I'm really, really chuffed, and now I'm gonna go and get it planted in the garden. I would 100% recommend the Secret Gardening Club's mystery boxes. £1.34 a plant, and each and every plant is such good quality. Beautiful colours, excellent varieties. Okay, if you're looking for something specific, then it's not for you, but if you just want to amass a good collection of varying plants to get a border established, then this is definitely the way forward. An excellent box.